forward to this performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
What's that you're hiding? No. You went onto the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
If you would just listen.
I am never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
If only I could make him understand. I just don't see things the way he does. I don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's galore. You would think my boss like a 20, but who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call it? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing strong down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world.
Hey there, boy. Yeah, I know. I had to escape all that embarrassment. I just haven't met the right girl yet. Believe me, Max, she's out there somewhere. I just know it. Okay, boy. Hey! Hey, wait up!
I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. What's
Oh, your collection. Have you lost your mind? Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh, no! Ah! The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's league.
I dream about going away.
But that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's bitter. Don't wear it Twitter. Take it from me. They work all day.
Out in the sun.
They slave away. When we devoted, go back to floating under the sea. Like a mutilated fruit. Calculating up. They play big. And we shall reach out. Oh, the best thing it was. And we just played it up. And so that blowfish flew. Ariel, tell me, what is better than all this?
Oh, Sebastian, you just don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh! Oh no! Big fish! Under the sea! When there's nothing begin to begin, it's music to see. What do they got? A lot of sand! We got a hot Sebastian man! Each little clam here know how to jump here under the sea. Each little slug here punching around here under the sea. Each little snail here know how to win here. That's why it's hot under the water. And y'all being lucky here, y'all being lucky here under the sea. Oh man!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like trying to pass a weakness after all. Flossom, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch.
No, Angel Finch. You're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child. That's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss. The kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you will belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can I...
You'll have your nose, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language.
It's okay. I'm Ariel.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Word. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Look like a boy too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? You gonna miss the girl.
You know, I'm really bad. I know your name. Maybe I can guess. Okay. Well, Diane. Wait.
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel?
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, put us on and listen to the song. The song says, kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la, music says, you are not music says, you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl.
That was close. Too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tentacles. Triton's daughter will be mine.
He's supposed to leave.
You're too late.
What would I give to live on? What would I give to stay here beside you? What would I do to see you smiling at me?
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to live their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy?
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.